Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change tap duration time in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity and then scroll down and click on tap duration. Now here you can change the tap duration time by clicking on plus icon or minus icon. So first of all, turn on this tap duration button, and first of all you have to tap here twice to test your time, and then you can turn on this button to use tap duration. Now here click on keep on and then the tap duration will be turned on. Now if you want to increase the tap duration time, then click on this plus icon. So that's how you can increase the tap duration time. Now after increasing, you have to tap here twice to test your time duration, and then it will be set it. So that's how you can change the tap duration time in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.